Hello friends, welcome to Indian Oil R&D. I am Medhu and I will show you how we are shaping India's energy future. Indian Oil R&D is one of the finest energy research institutions in the Asia-Pacific region, with its origin going 50 years back. A top team of expert scientists and engineers conducts pioneering work in various domains of energy research. It is a matter of pride for Indian Oil R&D. On average, every day, either a patent is filed or granted to Indian Oil. Friends, I'll be happy to show you around our sprawling world-class research facilities. Come with me. Crossing the lush green lawns, we have come to the Lubricants Technology Department. Indian Oil R&D is the birthplace of servo world-class lubricants. Since inception of Indian Oil R&D, our scientists have developed over 7,000 grades of lubricants, greases and specialty products encompassing every conceivable applications. Various lubricant grades are assessed for friction, wear and field performance using state-of-the-art laboratory test simulations in the Tribology laboratory. Now we have reached the Vehicle and Fuels Emissions Testing Lab. This engine test laboratory has 19 test benches for endurance tests. Rigorous testing of newly developed automotive lubricants and fuels is performed on chassis dynamometer. World-class transient engine and vehicle test facilities are available here to help us produce solutions with greater fuel economy and efficiency. Indian Oil R&D has also installed BS6 test bench to test automotive engines. Now we have come to the labs that are spearheading cutting-edge work in the area of green fuels. Indian Oil R&D goes about enhancing fuel quality by adding state-of-the-art additives that boost engine performance and protect the environment. Friends, we have now reached the zone where we innovate cutting-edge refining process and catalyst technologies. Indian Oil R&D has developed expertise to scale up process designs, including setting up labs and pilot plants, modeling and simulation. Indian Oil R&D has developed comprehensive kinetic models for different secondary processing units in refineries. These models capture the underlying reaction mechanism of a chemical reaction and enable the scale-up of indigenous process technologies. What you see now is the pilot plant of INMAX, that is our flagship refining technology. In this pilot plant, we use the feedstock characteristics provided by our clients, and INMAX catalyst is optimized to generate the desired propylene yield and other products. Similarly, we are equipped with state-of-the-art hydro-processing pilot plants, which are helpful as they support refineries for catalyst selection. Indian Oil R&D is doing extensive research work in high-quality bitumen derivatives and specialty products. Extensive research has enabled us to develop technologies for various bituminous products. Indian Oil R&D also offers technical services in the area of structural reliability analysis of refinery and pipeline infrastructure. The diagnostic studies cover failure analysis, plant life extension through remaining life assessment of high-temperature critical components, and advanced non-destructive assessment of critical refinery components. Friends, reliability and integrity of vast spread-out pipeline networks needs periodic assessment. This is done using Instrumented Pipeline Inspection Gauge (IPIG). Indian Oil R&D has developed and deployed magnetic flux leakage-based InScan series of IPIG tools of various sizes. The InScan series of IPIG tools have already been used for health check of over 10,000-kilometer pipelines. The petrochemical and polymer research at Indian Oil R&D is focused on development of polyethylene polypropylene catalysts, niche polymeric products like drag-reducing additive DRA, poly-alpha-olefin PAO and linear alpha-olefin LAO, plastic circular economy, bioplastics and development of new grades through post-reactor modifications. Now we come to another buzzing research domain, nanotechnology. Research activities here are focused on adoption of nanotechnology in different products. Indian Oil has introduced differentiated products in the market. Indane NanoCut is high thumb cutting gas fortified with nanoparticles for faster metal cutting. Indane Extra Tej is LPG boosted with nano additives for lower fuel consumption. Indian Oil Extra Guard is a highly effective anti-COVID surface disinfectant doped with silver nanoparticles. Indian Oil R&D is expanding its horizon in the field of alternative and renewable energy technologies. Research activities are progressing in the area of biofuels energy, HCNG, hydrogen production and storage, gasification, biomethanation, CO2 utilization and solar energy. We can now see the IOC DBT Center for Advanced Bioenergy Research. The major focus of Indian Oil R&D is to develop and deploy viable second and third generation advanced biofuel technologies. Indian Oil R&D has installed and commissioned India's first multi-feed, multi-chemical integrated lignocellulosic biomass to ethanol pilot plant. This has enabled development of the most cost-effective process for indigenous 2G ethanol technology. Closely located is the Industrial Biotechnology Department, which has developed a unique technology for bioremediation of hydrocarbon waste and oil-contaminated soil. This is India's first state-of-the-art pilot plant for enzymatic CO2 capture. Indian Oil R&D has undertaken research in the areas of fuel cells and are developing ecosystem to deploy fuel cell technology to harness hydrogen as clean fuel. Indian Oil R&D is working to develop high-performance lead-acid battery. Work is also underway in the area of lithium-ion battery and aluminum-air batteries. The modern laboratories of Indian Oil R&D are equipped with state-of-the-art spectroscopic, chromatographic and microscopic analytical equipments to support the ongoing research products in different domains. There is dedicated technology implementation cell for design and engineering of commercial plants based on technologies developed by Indian Oil R&D. Now, Indian Oil is spreading and coming up with new technology development and deployment center, which will reshape the energy landscape of the country. The second campus of Indian Oil R&D is being built on a 60-acre plot at an outlay of about Rs 3,200 crores. It will focus on developing a wide range of renewable energy technologies. Indian Oil R&D has catalyzed the corporation's transformation from technology adapter to a global technology licensor. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Indian Oil R&D. Thank you.